Okay, so this is my dreadlock. Is this what you call them? Dreadlock or lost journey. So LOCS, the hair. So I started this 2 years ago. So over 2 years now. And at first, I did not like it. I really did not. Because it was short. It just looked funny on me. But then later on, I'm just like, okay, let's just see how it is more than 2 years. And now, here I am. I'm loving it. And when I see other people with the loss, I'm just like, it's so beautiful. Like, it's like beautiful. I don't know. It's just... I just love it. And like, look, and when I take it down, I don't know how long it is.